on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is what, February 17th, 2023. It's warm in New York, but it's nasty out. I think it's going to stop raining later. But anyway, we're going to no heats, two no heats. It says, I guess it's an apartment complex. And the owner called and said no heat in two of the apartments. I've never been there before, but I'll see what it is when we get there. Check it out. So take this off. R&W not making TT. Or TT not making TT. Okay, so R&W's jumped out. Immediately started getting heat. Circulator sounds like garbage, but we are very hot and we are open. So we were closed before when I just had the thermostat calling for 80, and there you go. So we're gonna actually label this apartment 1R2. So for the next guy, do you have a marker? Yep. Circulator doesn't sound so hot. I see it. Take that. You're gonna be like, you're a nightmare. 1R. He said it looks like 2. That doesn't look like a 2, does it? Oh, it looks like a 1-2 with a line straight down, kind of? Nah, bro, you're wrong. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a T4 on there. If I have a T4, if not, we'll throw a T6 on there. That's all I have, probably. Truck is disastrous. I got my guy with me today. He's got his stuff. He's speaking some kind of language. Listen to him. Hold on. He's going to talk again. I think that's like Slovakian. Alright. That's it. It's not going to be for here. Yeah, I don't have a T4. Right now we're going to take scheduling option off for them. Just make it simple. Okay, 125 is going to be Fahrenheit. Select. Our 200 is going to be radiant heat, which is number 3. 205 will be 9, which is hot water radiant. 220, there's 0 cool stages, so we're going to back that off. 221 heat stage is 170. We're going to keep it 3. 431. We have maximum 90. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Maximum 90. We have 435. Keypad lockout, none. 578. Next, 1410. 12-hour, 1415. Daylight savings time, and 1420. Temperature offset 0. Select. I got it. All right, let's go inside. Some good heat. Yeah, that's beautiful. And then we have this wire nutted right there. Beautiful. Let's trim these wires down a bit. So now we're going to go downstairs with this off and double check that the zone valve is closed. So now we're just going to check the zone valve, make sure it closed because I have the thermostat on off. And it's closed like I thought. So this is the 1R apartment we were in, and we're just going to go turn it to 68 for the tenant who's not home. And I think they're going to be good. I let her know about the circulator. She's going to hold off on that for now. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have the thermostat down to 68, so this should be closed still. Yep. It's 71 up there. But thank you. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day, and take care.